Hi people, welcome to my channel. This is Ria and today we are going to SP College for an elocution competition. So I left really early in the morning. You can see how beautiful the sky looks and I did catch the moon. So of course, you know it was really early and I know I prepared for it, but of course you need to see me arrange. मेरे को कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है इसके आगे. I have so much to know, I have so much to speak, I have so much to tell. But after yapping, I boarded the bus. See, it is very beautiful, but of course I had to take the auto because there's no other way to reach the college apart from the local buses. But मुझे उसका कुछ भी नहीं पता था. So this cute little auto wala bhaiya helped me, and yes, fit checks. Of course, I had to click myself, even though I was looking a prisoner from Azkaban, but क्या जा रहा है? I had to give the fit check. उसके बाद I went, I reached the college, did my registration, my code number was 32. And oh my god, the auditorium looked so beautiful. So basically it was a 2-day event. People जो आज select हो जाने थे वही कल आने वाले थे. So I finished my speaking and then I sat and I listened to other speakers because this is the time when you get to hear a lot of people. मेरा speech हो गया था and I had to stay in Wagholi, which is थोड़ा सा दूर. तो I did थोड़ा सा drama, made a video and I left early because I wanted to avoid the traffic. But traffic को कौन ही avoid कर सकता है? I was so lucky to get an auto. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's have fun in traffic. Like, why to sulk that, oh my god, इतना traffic है ये वो. I had to take the local and I had no idea on what buses to take, what stand मुझे उतरना है. And basically the station and everything, कौन सी बस कहाँ उतरेगी, it was very confusing. But guys, I say karma works. This cute little kaku, she legit held me through everything. She told me which bus stop और मेरे साथ she traveled till Wagholi. So I mean, I just love good people and do good things, it will come back to you. So थोड़ा सा इधर उधर फिर के बस में नौटंकी करके अपना दिमाग खराब करके I somehow reached Wagholi. ये है हमारे एक महाराज. एक क्या तुम दिख रहे हो? हाँ तुम दिख रहे हो. Due to then I had to sit with kids and hear them talk about things that I do not even understand. But yes, kids are really fun until you are somebody who does not enjoy it. Then I had to go back again because Adya wanted me to accompany her, and somehow I was officially her sister, but she treats me as if I am her age. So I really can't tell you, she's a sweetheart. But she thinks I'm her age and she treats me like that when I'm almost 17 or 18 years older. Morning happened, I had my breakfast and then I left for SP College again. It was a 2.5 hours का thing. I waited for bus again, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था, but Punekars are very sweet. So yes, किसी से पूछ के I got up to the bus, understood my station. Then I got up to the railway station where a very sweet little auntie offered me her cab. Now it was very risky to go on with a stranger in a cab, but I took the risk. उसके बाद when she dropped me, I took an auto from there. Now this was all because I did not do my research and I was stupid enough. But finally I reached and I can't tell you how happy I was. But I was scared too because what if I do not make to the round? सारा travel बर्बाद हो जाता. So इतना एफर्ट लेके इतना हाई स्टेक्स पे आई डिड गो और मेरी लेजिट फट रही थी बिकॉज अगर आज सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ होता, लाइक यू कैन लेजिट सी मी, आई वॉज अबाउट टू क्राई अगर मेरा कोड नंबर नहीं बोलते. एंड दे वर टॉर्चरिंग, यू वर लेजिट दे वर टेकिंग आउट कोड नंबर्स एंड देन दे वर आस्किंग टू स्पीक. सो अगेन मैंने वीडियो ही बना ली दूसरों की. जब तक मेरा नंबर नहीं आया, वी वेंट फॉर लंच, मेरा नाम अभी तक नहीं आया था. आई वॉज सो स्केर्ड, व्हाट इफ आई डोंट मेक इट. So I did make it to the second round. This was the guest speaker speaking and we were awaiting the results. अब रिजल्ट में कुछ नहीं होता तो मैं और दुखी हो जाती बिकॉज मैं 2 दिन आई इवन गॉट सिलेक्टेड बट फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. So this man was a gem. He spoke very well. But the surprise is, guys, yes, I got the consolation prize. Now you'll be thinking कि consolation में इतना क्या है? जितने efforts थे ना, that was too much. So SP College was perfect. उसके बाद I got the lotto again because घर तो जाना पड़ेगी. But अभी 6 बज गए थे and after 6 I would have reached Nagar by 11 or 12. तो ट्रैफिक में आराम से बैठ के मजा लेते हुए और अंकल का ज्ञान अपने अंदर ऑब्जॉर्व करते हुए सी ही गिव यू नॉड ऑफ अप्रूवल. यस, दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. सो इतना दुखी होना ही नहीं होता ट्रैफिक में. आई डू नॉट नो व्हाई पीपल हेट ट्रैफिक. लुक एट मी, आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई कैन एंजॉय ट्रैफिक. सो आराम से ट्रैफिक एंजॉय करते हुए अलग अलग जगहों के नज़ारे लेते हुए आई हैप्पीली वेंट. नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन, कोई भी रैंडम आदमी बोलेगा कि क्यों इतने एफर्ट्स लेने व्हेन यू कैन जस्ट सिट एट योर होम. बाकी लोग नहीं करते क्या? बट आई फाइंड जॉय इन इट. इमेजिन ट्रैवलिंग टू अ सिटी जिसका तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता. यू गो जस्ट फॉर अ कॉम्पिटिशन. द थ्रिल, द एक्साइटमेंट, द एडवेंचर. आई डू नॉट नो हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सर्वाइव 9 to 5 बिकॉज ये थ्रिल तुम्हें वापस नहीं मिलने वाला. सो इफ यू आर समबडी हु इज वॉचिंग दिस, take the next opportunity available. Yes, you will have to struggle. Yes, you will have to take the pains, but it is all worth it. The amount of people I've met in these competitions and the kind of people I've met are gems. मतलब जिगर का टुकड़ा kind of people. So इतना सोचना ही नहीं होता इस सब चीज़ों के लिए. If you get an opportunity, go for it. Don't think क्या होगा कैसे होगा, because if you will not, somebody else will. And नहीं, why do you want to be mediocre when you can make a brand out of yourself? So the next time you are thinking or you're confused about it, if it scares you and excites you at the same time, you should go for it. Like I went for this competition and trust me, it was worth every single time. So I got on the bus by now and luckily I got the front seats. I was very happy ki, oh my god, I'm going to reach on time, no traffic in Pune, and the weather was also very very beautiful. So yes, but tabhi there was traffic, and when I say it was a really bad traffic, we were legit stuck there for 2 hours or more, और जबकि दूसरा साइड खाली था. So ideally, and if you're not believing me, I have a clip. This was a very 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 long stretch of traffic जहाँ हम almost 3.5 घंटे के लिए थे. So I reached my home in Wagholi by 11 and I was so annoyed, so I just slept. I did not click anything. Early morning I left and Vat's Sabha debate ends here. I mean, it's not a debate, it's an elocution, but it was so fun. Until next time guys, please subscribe. Bye bye.